Live po tayo ngayon sa Wawa dito sa Montalban. And
Ako, wawawi.
yeah, Wawa Jam. And I'm here, Jules Ostan reporting live 4 o'clock in the afternoon of June 9, 2007. I'm here with Raymond, Jay, Jowa, and Maya. So, may I hear from Raymond things that you need to say from Wawa Dam. Here's Raymond.
Guys, kumusta kayo? Nandito kami ngayon sa Wawa Dam. Sayang kasi wala kang dito. So sana by next time, makapunta rin kayo dito.
Jay, let's hear from Jay. Jay is going to work at 7 o'clock in the evening, okay? So, let's hear from Jay here in Wawa.
So hindi dapat ako kasama kasi nung pinilit ako. Pero, worth it naman. Ingit kayo, mamatay si Jay.
Continue. Let's also hear from Joanna, Jowa. He's live here in Wawa Jam and he will say something about the place, okay?
Everyone should come here because the water looks very dirty. but going here is very challenging.
Tayo ka.
Why na?
So you hear from Jowa. He's describing the Wawa Jam. And right now, let's see Maya Oropesa is one of our visitors and foreigners here in this place. Maya, could you please speak regarding Wawa Jam?
Wawa Dam is like a good place. Actually, it's a good place. First, you will hike and then you will swim. Wow, that's great. Right? That's all. Okay. I'm sorry for my English. It's not correct. You know, not good in English. I'm not an English major. But I would like to speak it. That's all. And please go to Wawa also. Okay?
My family.
We're glad if you were here.
My
So that
family.
the more the merrier. Right. The more the merrier. Bye-bye.
One thing you want to describe Wawa. One thing you have in your mind, okay? One by one. Start from Jowa.
Horse, mine, a green mine.
Let's hear from Raymond Santiago, called Basti. Let's hear from Jay Castillo, saying one word or one thing you want to describe Wawa.
Parang ano lang yun parang pa-birthday ko lang yan sa'yo
Awesome. Yun lang. Strawberry jam.
And the last but not the least, let us hear from Maya Oropesa regarding Wawa Jam.
Is an apple. It's like a green apple, you know? Color green. I know. Yeah, it's color green. So,
Talk about green.
you come here, you like strawberry jam with red. Good, it's good.
Hindi.
Ano yung one thing na memorable sa'yo sa Wawa when you come here? Hindi mo makakalimutan, okay? So one by one, start tayo kay Maya. Okay, bye.
Dito nag-shooting si Ann Curtis saka si Mark Bautista. So yun yung hindi ko makakalimutan. Siya nga pala, hindi ko makakalimutan na pinabalik ako ni Raymond mula dito sa bahay nila. Sorry Tagalog na lang kasi mag-English eh. So hard, I can't express my feelings, you know? Bye-bye.
Sir Jay Castillo, one memorable experience from Wawa Jam.
Trabaho for the first time. And ano ba? Yan. Natuloy na ako sa work nito. And ano ba? Picture yan. Sobrang daming picture. Kain tayo.
Next thing we need to be here is from Raymond Basti. One thing, he has a memorable experience from Wawa Jam. Let's hear from Basti.
It's so great being here with these guys, you know. And there's a lot of beautiful places here, so we take story out, you know. And we have some
Lumabas na yung strawberry.
And, you know, wait lang. I'm bleeding. Yun, so it's just a great time being here. Wow, that's it.
Not the least is Joanna Marie or Jowa.
Unforgettable kasi umakit ako sa mga kung ano-ano dito.
Ba to?
Pero masaya kasi may picture. Sobrang dami na ng picture. Di ko na alam kung ilan na siguro yung kuha namin dito. Saka yun nga, yung pinabalik kami ni Raymond, nandun na kami malapit sa kami. Tapos pinabalik ko pang video. Ayun. Pero masaya. Kain. Yun lang.
Okay, let's hear from them naman kung ano naman yung
Masarap.
pinaka-most, yung experience nila. Last na ito, please. Bigyan niyo ako ng
Ano
chance.
naman yan?
Okay? Yung nakakahiyang experience nyo naman sa Wawa, di ba? Embarrassing moments nyo with staying in this place. Okay, let's hear from Jowa. Jowa, what is your ano yung nakakahiyang experience na naranasan mo sa Wawa? Sige, si Jake, sige, sorry. Okay.
Akit-akit sa puno sa mga bato-bato kasi first time kong ginawa yun eh. Magpapapicture tapos ang daming dumadaan. Nakakahiya.
Ako nakakaya kasi nadulas nga pala ako yun. Buti na lang din yung nakita. Si Zay lang yung nakita kasi siya yung malalay sa akin. Ayun lang naman. Tapos kain na tayo kasi gutom na ako. Ang hirap pumanik. Mamaya bababa na naman tayo, di ba? Ang dami-dami pang people. Ayun, kakapalan ng mukha ko mag-post mga ganyan-ganyan. Ayun, sige. Sila naman.
Okay, let's hear from from Jowa and Bas. Ano yung mga nakakahiyang most embarrassing experience they staying here in Wawa Jam? Okay?
Ano pa maisip eh?
So nakakaya at most embarrassing pala ito.
Right now.
Hindi, sa ano ba? Siguro yung kanina yung nasa kami nasa temple yung pinusatingan nga nila Mark and Curtis. So nakakatawa kasi ang taas ng place tapos, pag nalaglag ka, puro batuhan sa tubig. So, pagkabagsak mo, tubukan na, patay ka na kaagad. So, yun yung inatakot na ginigiwi ka talaga yung mga video namin kanina. So, yun. Sobrang enjoy naman.
Nakita ko kasi, nakita ko eh, kasi sabi ko, Wawa Jam tayo.
Jowa.
Ayun mo lang, uy, bakit parang gusto yung...
Ay, YouTube pala ito, no? Yung YouTube natin, no? Paano mo mag-upload sa YouTube?
Guys, saying goodbye na. Kasi i-end ko na tong video. Ako nga pala yung host nito, Jules Ostan. Salamat. Okay, say goodbye na. One by one tayo. Prepare your last message. God bless you guys. Love you so much.
Wait ko, bye-bye. Ayun lang, kasi pagod na ako eh. Kaya na tayo, nagugutom na ako. Sa swimming time na, bye-bye.
Jay.
Ako lang yung Wawa. Ako lang yung Wawa.
At saka, next time sana kasama na kayo.
Bye na. Mas masaya, mas marami. Next time na. Kain.
Bye-bye. If you love someone, first love yourself. Okay. Goodbye.
Ganda ng